Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here again with another super important and fun topic. Before we start, I would like to ask you a question. Are you going to start an Etsy shop in 2024 or are you already a shop owner, but you struggle to make sales and find a great niche? Then you are definitely at the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find the best-selling niche for your Etsy shop. I'm Kawa, and I give simple tips and tricks to solve complex print-on-demand problems. So hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. So, first, we are on Etsy, as Etsy itself is a great platform to find niches, and we will talk about it in a few seconds. But first, I want to tell you that I only use free features of any website and tools because I believe that organic traffic is the most important thing that sellers miss. I don't know if it's just me or do you think the same way? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's get back to the topic. Let's start with a broad niche like template and Etsy will start giving you suggestions. Or you can just click search. As you can see, there are so many product ideas that we can create and sell. But first we have to go through all these products and find the best idea for us that will align with our interest and experience. Like if you wrote really good resumes in college, then you can create resume templates, which are one of the best sellers. Or if you are good at making social media posts, then you can create social media templates. And if you don't have anything in mind, then you can check my video on this topic. So most of them are resume templates. Let's try searching for resume templates. So now I am searching resume templates and it's showing all these suggestions. You can also pick these suggested niches as these are best-selling niches under template. Here you can see, earlier there were almost 500,000 results. Now there's only about 35,000 designs. We have niched down by a lot, and now it's easier to rank. You can always reduce more competition by adding different terms like bundles, simplistic, etc. There are many different types of resume templates. For example, resume templates for freshers or nurses or any other profession. You can get inspiration from these templates according to your interest and experience. I have some experience with this sorority resume, so let's try searching for it. Here I searched for sorority resume templates and surprisingly competition came down to only about 2,500. This way you can find great product ideas by reducing competition. Just start with a high-selling broad topic and scroll down to find your interest or sub-niche that has good selling potential and then search that and keep repeating until competition becomes low. But this strategy can only be converted into sales if your product looks up to the competition. And for that, as I always suggest, observe other sellers' products before creating your own. Like this one here. If I am going to make a sorority resume template, then I must go through some products to get the main picture and get familiar with the competition. Now I am going to show two super useful websites that will take your niche research to the next level. And I'm going to use free features of these websites only. As I mentioned before, it's not the ideal to spend money without understanding the website first, and spend only when you want to take your business to a larger scale. That being said, let's start with our first website, that is eRank. Let's check it out. eRank is all-in-one tool for Etsy sellers. And the good part is you can start for free, but also eRank has paid plans too. But as I promised, I will only talk about free features. So let's start it. First you have to sign in with your email or Google account for free. eRank provides us all these awesome features like keyword research. You can check top sellers under any niche. You can also connect your shop with eRank and it will provide you full analysis of your listings on Etsy, like in what keywords your product has been showing on, and many more. Like the keyword list, keyword tool, spotted on Etsy and hot on Etsy. Hot on Etsy is a very useful tool to check what's trending on Etsy right now. Let me show you guys some of its features. When you click on hot on Etsy, this screen will show up. This feature basically tells us what keywords, colors, products, styles, etc. that is trending on Etsy right now. It is very helpful in keeping up with the trends and changing market. Now let's move on to the keyword tool. eRank gives you 50 SER hash quota a day, which is enough or does the work for me. So now let's search for a keyword. Now we are searching for the niche idea we found earlier in the video, which is sorority resume. Then we can the CTR or click through rate of the niche and its keywords. Let's click search. For starters, eRank provides data on average searches for specific keywords. This means you can identify popular keywords, and it also gives us average clicks rate to identify if the customers are interested in buying the product. And average CTR indicates a chance of getting a click per impression, which again means it will be higher if the products under the niche are getting clicks. And lastly, competition. It's better to have a low competition niche. So basically, if all these bars are green, then the niche is excellent. And as you can see, all these bars showing good results, which means sorority resume templates niche is definitely worth trying. eRank also has this search trend that tells you when the niche is going to make most sales. So, as you can see, sorority resume templates, which is our search term, was at peak around May to September. And it is again rising right now. It helps us to know when to start making and selling the product. And searchers by country tells us about the audience origin country. So if the majority of the searches are from a particular country, then you should make that product according to the country's standards. And after this, if we scroll down, we will see more options, like related searches. Here you can see more related niches like your current niche that have a similar audience. So now let's see top tags for more niche ideas. As you can see, there are many related keywords, also some different keywords, and you can see their competition. Moreover, you can sort them according to Etsy competition or Google search volume, like here nursing resume. It could be a great niche. Here, nursing resume seem pretty good as it has low competition, so let's check it out. And as you can see, this is also a great niche with good average searches, good average clicks, low competition, and great CTR rate. And if you notice the graph, its demand is currently on the rise. And you can use the top listing tool to know which are the best sellers under your niche and what tags they are using. This way you can use their tags and keywords to rank higher and increase visibility. However, if you want to get your hands on more stats and use premium features, then you can purchase a eRank subscription at a very minimal price. They have 3 plans which are basic, pro, and expert. You can pause the video and check all of their features. The link is in the description. Now it's time for our next free website for niche research. That is Etsy Hunt. It's the second tool that I use to double check my niche, because it helps to be sure about stats as sometimes sites might not show data correctly. So it's always better to be sure. Now let's check it out. Again, you can just sign in with your Google account for free and you are good to go. We will again search for sorority resume templates. And as you can see, it has its own particular stats, such as reviews, number of sales, and many more, which can help you to decide your niche. And this graph represents Google search trends around the year. And the country-wise audience distribution, just like eRank, but with better visualization. Etsy Hunt also suggests many popular terms similar to your niche, for example marketing resume, teacher resume, etc. You can search 10 times in one day in the free version. However, if you want more searches, then you can purchase any of its plans, and it's the best time as they are giving a 3-day pro plan trial at just $1, so you can consider, even though the free plan is good enough. The link is in the description. Etsy Hunt has many more features, however, that's the topic for another video as this one has already become very long. You should definitely visit and explore more of its features and functions. So in conclusion, we have to follow 3 steps. First, we have to search for a broad topic and find inspiration or a product that we can create. Then on the second step, we have to niche down our topic until we have less than 2,000 results. Then the third step is to validate our niche on the Etsy research tools to see if people are really searching for this type of product. Before we end this video, I have something for you guys. I've created this Excel sheet for better planning of your niche research, so that all your niches, keywords, and tags are at one place. It will save your time and increase your efficiency, and most importantly, it's free. So, do check it out. The link is in the description. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please consider subscribing and share this video.